Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize a page in Canva. Whether you're making something for social media, a presentation, or a print, being able to quickly change the dimensions can save you a ton of time. So yeah, let's dive right in. First, open up your Canva project. At the top of the screen, you'll see a button that says Resize. Now, quick note, this feature is only available for Canva Pro users, so if you're on the free plan, you won't see it. Once you click Resize, a panel will open with different options. Canva gives you a bunch of preset dimensions for common formats, like Instagram posts, Facebook covers, YouTube thumbnails, and more. If one of those matches what you need, just select it and you're good to go. But if you want a very specific size, go down to custom size. Here you can type in the exact width and height you need. By default, the units are in pixels, but remember that Canva also works with inches or centimeters if that's what your project requires. After you've entered your dimensions, click on the button that says Resize this design. Canva will instantly adjust your project to the new size. All of your design elements will still be there, but you may need to tweak the layout a little to make everything fit perfectly. And that's really all there is to it. Canva's Resize tool makes it super easy to adapt one design for multiple platforms without having to start over from scratch. So yeah, now you know how to resize pages in Canva like a pro. Thanks for watching. I hope this was helpful and I'll see you in the next tutorial.